Hi guys, I'm going to talk to you about coins today, and it's just going to be pretty basic. We're just going to talk about what they look like, what they're worth, and their different names. Coins can be really tricky, so we want to practice identifying them and just getting really, really good with them. They're also important because coins are money, and we use money to buy fun things, to buy our favorite snacks, things like that. So we're going to talk about 4 different coins today. We're going to talk about pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. So we're just going to get started with pennies, and I'm going to show you each side of each coin so that you know how they look, because both sides of a coin are not the same. They are different, so they have different pictures, different images on each side. So here's a penny, and a penny is worth 1 cent, and it's got 2 different sides, okay? So I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to write 1 cent. That is my cent symbol. That's how we write when we're talking about coins and stuff. We might say cents. What it's worth is 1 cent. So I'm going to put my pictures up here by their names and their amounts so that you can look at it. So a penny is worth just 1 cent. And as we're putting our pictures and we're looking at our pictures and stuff, I want you to pay attention to things that I might not point out, because we're going to talk about some things at the end. So if you catch something, hold on to it in your brain, and we'll talk about it at the end. Our next coin is a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So this means that it would take 5 pennies just to get 1 nickel. Okay? A nickel is worth 5 pennies. 5 cents. Here's one side of a nickel. And here's the other side of a nickel. And just like the penny said 1 cent, a nickel down here tells us that it is 5 cents. So I'm going to take my tape, put these up on your poster. I want you to pay attention. What is the same? Is there something you're noticing that's different? Okay, we're going to look at a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. Okay? So when we're thinking about money, a penny is just counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. A nickel is like counting by fives. 5s, 10. A dime is like counting by tens, and I know the last few weeks we've talked about counting by tens. So a dime is worth 10. Here is one side of a dime, and here is the other side of a dime. So, there we go. Oh, wrong way. There you go. One side, second side. See if anything is starting to stick out to you. If you're noticing things that maybe I've not talked about yet. And you might be thinking, Miss Mims, this is so easy. I already know all of this. And if you do, that makes me super, super happy. All right. Our last coin is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Okay? Here's one side of a quarter. And here's the other side of a quarter. So, one side, then our second side. And these are big, so we're not going to be able to put them side by side. We're going to put them below each other, like that. So, let's take a second. I'm looking at all of my coins, and I noticed that my penny does not look like any of my other coins. It's a different color. A penny is copper colored, while a quarter or a dime or a nickel is silver. So sometimes money might be different colors. In America, we don't have like blue and red and green coins. We have copper and we have silver. Our penny is our only copper one. Nickels, dimes, and quarters are all silver. They're also different sizes, and it's harder to see in my pictures than it is if you actually had some coins in front of you. So when you get finished with this video, if mom or dad, grandma, grandpa have some coins laying around, it might help you if you look at them and so that you can see their sizes. So I'm going to first start with a penny. Try to get his head the right way. And a dime. My penny is bigger than my dime. I could put my dime on it, and it's harder because they're white edges on both of them. But you're going to be able to see the penny behind the dime, okay? The dime is a whole lot smaller than pennies, nickels, and quarters. But here is a dime and a quarter. I can clearly see that quarter is a lot bigger than that dime. And then I can take my dime and put it on my nickel, and the nickel's bigger than my dime. So a dime is a lot smaller size than our other coins, even though it's worth 10 cents. So we can't look at our sizes and say, oh, it's a bigger coin, it's worth more. That's not always true. I can take my penny and put it on my dime, and I can still, or my nickel, I'm sorry, and still see the nickel around it. So the penny is smaller than the nickel, and then I can take my quarter and see, oh my goodness, that penny is a lot smaller than a quarter. I can take a quarter and a dime. My quarter's a lot bigger than my, not dime, nickel. Huh. Maybe I need to go practice my coin names too. Our quarter's a lot bigger than our nickel. So when you finish this video, if you're able, I would really try to get your hands on some coins and maybe look at them in your hand so that you can really see the different sizes. So let's go back and review really quick. A penny is worth 1 cent. It's copper colored, okay? It's just worth 1. It's like I'm counting by ones. A nickel is worth 5 cents, okay? It's silver, worth 5. Dime is worth 10 cents. It's silver, and remember, it's really small, but it's worth 10 cents. So even though it's smaller than my nickel and my penny, it's worth more. And then a quarter is worth 25 cents, okay? If you need help when you go to work on your worksheet, you can come back to this video and pause it on the full chart, or go back to when we talk about all of our different coins, because I know sometimes coins can be tricky. It's a lot to remember. But pennies are worth 1, nickels are worth 5, dime is worth 10, and then a quarter is worth 25. Think you've got it. I know you can do it. See you later.